Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me answer the question that you're thinking right now. No, the title of the video is not clickbait. This is a trick that I wish I would have learned years ago. Since I've learned it, it's dramatically improved my playing. Hopefully this little bit of music theory improves your guys' playing as much as it improved mine when I learned it. And stick around because at the end of the video, I'm going to be announcing our string giveaway winner. Alright you guys, check out how amazingly simple this is. Now you will need to understand the pentatonic scale in order to do this. So I'm going to be playing in the key of B. So you have your B minor pentatonic scale. But here is where it gets interesting. All you have to do is move your pinky finger to where your index finger was on the low E string. Now play the pentatonic scale again. Hear anything interesting? That's because you've just found the relative major to your minor. This comes in so useful. I cannot tell you guys how often I use this to switch back and forth. It really helps with getting that heartfelt, dramatic blues sound. It's also worth noting that the more you understand about the pentatonic scale, the better this trick will work. So you can use this trick just to find your relative major and then go from there and play your various shapes. It also works with the blues scale as well, so I'll now demonstrate. Pretty cool. So now I'm going to show you guys how helpful this can be. I've tuned my guitar to E flat, where I'm going to be using the E minor pentatonic scale to play over Stevie Ray Vaughan's Pride and Joy chord progression. Again, all you have to do is from where your index finger starts on the root note of the minor pentatonic scale, you just have to slide it down to there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's check it out. So there you guys have it. And just remember, the more you practice, the easier and more natural the switches are going to feel. If you enjoyed this video or learned something, make sure you like and subscribe and drop a comment below. And now, on to our giveaway winner. Drum roll, please. And our winners are ThrashManiac01 and GRGus6. If you've won, congratulations. If you didn't, just know that as the channel grows, I hope to do more giveaways in the future. So, ThrashManiac01 and GRGus6, head to the description in the video and shoot me an email to redeem your free strings. As always, thank you guys for watching.